Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another video of Wizy all on how to multiply a number by Vedic mathematics method. Many of you will feel so that multiplication is quite an easy thing, but when such a bigger number comes, it becomes quite a difficult. So to manage these things, I have made this video. So please watch this video till the end to know how to multiply such a bigger numbers within seconds and to solve your trouble. Okay, so let's start with an example of multiplying a number by 5. Let's take 978 into 5. To multiply 978 with 5, the first method is to convert 5 in the form of 10 by 2. Okay, why we have converted it in the form of 10 by 2? Because it's easy to divide any number by 2 rather than to multiply it with 5. Okay, so when 978 will get divided by 2, it will result in 4 it will result in 4 8 9 into 10. Okay, so here we have the final answer to be 4890. Okay, so this was the beginning in which I have shown you step by step. That's why it has taken some time. In the next part you will see how you will divide it within seconds and in one line only. Okay, so let's take another example. For an example, 576 when multiplied with 5 will result in, okay, so mentally what you will do, you will convert this 5 in the form of 10 by 2. So you have to divide 576 with 2. Okay, so it will result in 4 8 8 and then you will multiply it with 10. Okay, so it will result in 2880. Okay, so let's take another example. For an example, you have to multiply 1756 with 5. Okay, so to multiply 1756 with 5, we will do it mentally. Okay, so first of all we have to divide it by 2. So it will result in 8 7 8 and then we will multiply it with 10. Okay, so the result will be 8780. So this is our final answer. Let's see another example where we will multiply the number with 25. For an example, 756 when need to be multiplied with 25. Here the key thing is that you will convert 25 in the form of 100 by 4. Okay, so when 756 when divided by 4 will result in 4 1 4, it's 35. So 4 8 32, then we have 36 into 9 into 100. So here the final answer will be 18900. Okay, so let's take another example where we will multiply the number by 125. For example, 576 when need to be multiplied with 125. So here the first thing is that we will convert 125 in the form of 1000 by 8. Okay, so 576 when divided by 8 will result in 8 7 56, then we have 8 2 16, and then we will multiply it with 1000. So it will result in 72,000. See how you will remember that for 25 we will take 100 by 4, for 125 we will take 1000 by 8, and for 5 you will take 10 by 2. It's an easy method and you can extend it to other numbers as well. For an example, for 5 25 and 125, we have them to be the respective power of 5 as 5 raised to the power 1, 5 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the power 3. For these numbers we have them in the form of 10 by 2, and where 10 by 2 will be raised to the power of the same value as 5 is raised to the power. Okay, so 10 by 2 raised to the power 1 for 5. For 5 square it will be 10 by 2 raised to the power 2, that will result in 100 by 4. And for 5 cube we have 10 by 2 raised to the power 3 as 1000 divided by 8. Okay, so these results will be extended for 625 and for other values of 5 raised to the power n. We have 10 by 2 raised to the power n. Okay, so this all for 5. Let's try to multiply a number with 9. Okay, within seconds. Okay, so let's do it for 976 into 9. So for multiplying a number with 9, the first step is to convert 9 in the form of 10 minus 1. Okay, so what it will be resulting? 9760 minus 976. In simpler words, what you have to do, whenever you multiplied a number with 9, the first step is to add 0 or to multiply the number with 10, and then you will subtract the same number with this result. Okay, so the answer will be 10 minus 6 4, 15 minus 7 8, 18 minus 16 minus 9 7, and then 8. So 8784 is your final answer. This same result can be extended for bigger numbers as well. For an example, you have to multiply 976 into 99. So here 99 will get converted in the form of 100 minus 1. So the first step will be to multiply the number with 100, and in the next step you will subtract the same number from this result. Okay, so 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 7 2, then we have 15 minus 9 as 6, then we have this as 6, then we have this as 9. Okay, so this will be your final answer. So you can find in the similar manner, you can multiply 976 with 999 or 978,934 into 999 in the same fashion within seconds. Okay, I hope so that you will like the way in which we are moving. Now for multiplying a number with 11. Okay, so to multiply a number with 11, we will take one example. For example, we have to multiply 934 with 11. Now here the key thing is that what you have to do, you have to convert 11 in the first step in the form of 10 plus 1. Okay, so here you will first of all multiply 934 with 10, that will result in 9340, and then you will add the same number in it. Okay, so it will result in 4 7 9 3 12 1 9 1 10 1 0 2 7 4. Okay, in this let's take another example. Okay, for an example, you have to multiply 8 7 3 4 with 11. Okay, so in this, first of all, what you have to do, you have to multiply this number with 10, and then you have to add the same number with this. Okay, so it will result in 4 7 10 16 1 9 6 0 7 4. In this way you can easily multiply any number with 11. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, this is a very important topic. Here you will try to multiply a two-digit number, two-digit number very quickly. Okay, so let's take one example. For example, 74 into 54. Okay, let's write it in the form of 74 into the traditional form. This will help you to learn the method quickly, and then you can solve it within a line from the next question onwards. Okay, the first method is that you will multiply the ones digit first. Okay, so 4 into 4 will be 16. In the next step you will diagonally multiply the number. Okay, and then add it. So it will be 7 into 4, it will be 28, plus 5 into 4, it will be 20. So the result is 48. Okay, in the last method you will multiply the tens number. Okay, so 7 into 5, this will result in 35. Now we will start writing the number in this order. Okay, so first we will take 6. We will take here we have to make sure that we will take just one number, and the other number will get carry over. Okay, so 6 will be written over here, 1 will get carry over. So 1 plus 48 will be 49. Okay, so it will be 9, 4 will get carry over, 35 plus 4 is again 39. Okay, so here the result is 3996. Let's take another example. For example, 41 into 21. We will try to do it in one line. Okay, so first step is 4 into 1, that is 4, simple. 1 into 1 is 1, then we have 4 into 2 8, so 8 plus 1 as 9, then we have 1 into 2, here 1 into 2 is 2, So 294. You can extend the result for other numbers also. For an example, 96 into 54, or 57 into 36, or 36 into 45. Okay, you can do it when. Okay, here we will multiply a two number that ends with 5. Okay, so here we have, let's take one example. For example, we have to multiply 15 with 35. The first step is to multiply, the first step is to multiply the leading digits of the number. So 1 into 3. Okay, so it will result in 3. In the next step, we have to find the average of the leading numbers. Leading numbers are 1 and 3. Okay, so we will add 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay, and then find the average of it. So the average of 1 4 will be 2. Okay, so in the next step, what we will do, we will in the next step, what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers, that is 3 plus 2. It will result in 5. Then we multiply this result with 100, that will result in 500, and in the next step we will add 25 to it. So the final answer will be 525. Let's take one another example. For example, you have to multiply 45 into 55. So in the first step we will multiply the two result, that is 4 into 5, it will come to 20. In the next step we will add the mean of 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2, it will result in 4.5. So 20 plus 4.5 is 24.5. Then we will multiply it with 100. Okay, so the result will be 2450, and then we will add 25 to it. So the result will be 2475. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like,